Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to recover permanently deleted Gmail account in a very simple way. To do this, what you need to do is open any browser in your phone. For now, I'm using Safari. Go to your browser and then search for Google Recovery Account. From there, go to the how to recover your Google account or Gmail. And then if you scroll down there, you will see recover your account. Click on that. From there, tips to complete account recovery. Go through it and click on the account recovery page. From here, add your email address and click on next. Add your password and then hit on next. If you don't remember, then you can also try another way and type 18 or any code that arises in your phone mail. So in this way you can recover your account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.